Nowadays, who wants to have black and white things? A little color in anything adds the word beautiful with it. Let's talk about what color exactly means. Color is the characteristic of visual perception described through color categories with names such as black, white, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, etc. Color has its own vast world, a colorful world, I would say. Meaning of color varies from place to place and time to time. Color can harmonize and balance our energy and thus improve our life and destiny. India has always been exalted and remembered fondly as the country of symbolic colors with architectural stories, which seems like a page out of an ancient folk tale. Let's start with describing the beauty of colors. From the deep orange marigold flowers that bejewel almost every celebration to the deep hues of red that deck up the bride. Every color has its own importance. Black in India has implication with lack of desirability and negativity. It represents anger and darkness and is associated with the absence of energy, whereas white is the absence of color which is acceptable at funerals and ceremonies that mark demise in the family. It is also widely accepted as the color of purity. Red is a dynamic color and is continuously breathing fire in the eyes of the beholder and depicts danger. It also stands for the purity and is the preferred color for a bride's garment. The color blue, for instance, is associated with Lord Krishna and represents both the sky and the sea. It is associated with the open spaces and freedom. Green, the color of life, symbolizes nature and is associated with the meaning of growth and freshness. Color is an integral element of our world, not just in the natural environment but also in the man-made architectural environment.
Scientific studies have proven that human environment reaction in the architectural environment is to a large percentage based on the sensory perception of color. The architect must consider the color effect of every element of a building's construction. It influences us psychologically and physiologically. Historically, the artist profession encompassed all, but not exclusively, painting, sculpture, and architecture. Color was used lavishly in architecture because of the desire to glorify gods or kings or to celebrate the marvel of the building itself. Almost every year there are new color trends, especially in fashion. Even though color trends are short-lived, they still influence our association. However, it is not useful for the architect to follow these color trends since they hardly ever consider psychology or visual ergonomics. Red is the most dominant and dynamic color. The eye actually has to adjust focus since the natural focal point of red lies behind the retina. Consequently, red appears closer than it is. Red is exciting and stimulating and seems strong and active. Orange is less masculine than red. It has very few negative associations. However, it may appear cheap or without vigor if low in saturation. Orange is exciting and cheering and seems lively and extroverted. When pure, yellow is the happiest of all colors. It radiates warmth, cheerfulness, inspiration, signifies enlightenment and communication. Yellow is cheering and seems vital and radiant. Contrary to red, when looking at green, the eye focuses exactly on the retina, which makes green the most restful color to the eye. Green can symbolize nature but also mold and sickness. Green is retiring and relaxing and seems refreshing and natural. Blue appears to be transparent, wet, cool, and relaxing. Opposite to red, blue will decrease a person's blood pressure and pulse rate. Blue is relaxing and seems secure and calm. There's a difference between wood and brown paint. In certain institutions, brown should be avoided since it evokes fecal associations. Wood and stone, on the other hand, appear very comfortable and warm. Brown is subduing and seems secure and stable. There are a lot of psychological and physiological justifications for not using white as a dominant color. No design objections helps diffuse light sources and reduce shadows. White is disconcerting and seems crisp, clean, and bright. Black is associated with oppressive power, darkness, and the unknown. In architecture, it is often used to make something appear as receding. Black is ominous and seems deep and abstract. At the end, the ability to see order in chaos is creativity.